we are today with I Fixed It. I hate to pay for anything. We're going to work on a Fleetwood Tara XL today. You can see the problem. The awning arm is broken. So here's the tools you're going to need to work on this job today. You're going to need a drill bit, center punch, a hammer, a pair of pliers, and a 7/16 socket wrench. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is to reach in here, loosen your arm up, and just with the pliers, just pull that arm out. It'll just fall right out there just like that. Now, one thing I want you to make sure of is that you pay attention to which way that arm was in. The track is on the outside. Okay, that's going to be very important when you put on the new connector. So pay attention. Okay, so we're going to remove the rivet. Oops. So I didn't introduce my friend that's going to help me. This is Mr. Stand. Oh, he doesn't do much work, but he just stands around. You just drill the old rivet off. Okay, so we've drilled it. We're going to tap out the old rivet. Use the pliers again. Slow down a little. Don't hurt yourself. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is the new bracket. You want to make sure to put it channel up with channel up. You insert your rivet and use your center punch and your hammer to install it. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are going to install a rivet. It holds the bracket with both channels up. Stand is going to help us out. Make sure you get enough on it. Push down. Hold, stand, hold. Might have to whack it a few times because that rivet's hard. We'll get it. There we go. All right, so there you go. The installation is done. Now all we got to do is reassemble it. Thank you. Okay, so now you just need to detach your arm and set it on the ground just like that. Your awning's fully extended. Now you need to remove this cap on the end with your 7/16 wrench or socket. I like to use sockets. Let's take that end right off. Bolt. Okay. Now that end just comes right off, just like that. Be mindful of your awning. Don't let it hit your motorhome. Just relax it over just like that. It'll just sit there. Okay, the reason you have to take the arm off, the end of the arm, is because you want to get this slider out of here. Some of them are harder than others. Once it gets moving, it moves kind of easy. Now we're just going to slip it all the way to the top. Pull down your little tab here, get it out. Sometimes they're a little hard to get out, so that's why you have Persuasion with you. Oh, did I introduce you to Persuasion? This is my Persuasion. That's Stand, and this is Persuasion. Just a little tap to make it come right out of there. There we go. Now you're ready to get the new part and install it. Here it is. Wow, laying right there. Okay, so now to reinstall it, channel up, past the stop, all the way to the end. You're ready to go. Let's put it back together. So go ahead and just reinstall your channel here. Be a little difficult to twist it. It just reinstalls just like that. Bolt goes back in. Might be a little hard to line up. There it is. Reinstall your bolt on your end cap. twist. Just tighten that back down. Okay, so we're going to reinstall the arm inside the receiver now. Just slide that back up in there. Follow your arm. Just because we're going to tighten her up and it's going to be all ready to go. Okay, so I fixed it, I think. Let's see if it works. Put it back up. Oh my, there we go. $16.95. You too can fix it yourself. Just follow the easy instructions. Have a nice day. Come again. Thank you.